one box of 2020 Contenders Optic for Rob B. Good luck, Rob. Let's pull you that Burrow, that Herbert. Let's go. Yeah, man, I was always 33 growing up in school playing baseball. That was my number. And then my favorite player, Bryce Harper's number 3. So I usually always pick 3 or 6. Those are my 2 numbers. All right, good luck, man. Yes, sir. Come on. Need a Burrow or a Herbie for you. Let's go. All right, we have Aaron Donald, base. And then we have a Jerry Jeudy. It's a rookie refractor on that, rookie prism. Nice, Jerry Jeudy. Then we have Christian McCaffrey and Luke Kuechly, X's and O's. That's 56 out of 99. Man, I hate that I'm probably going to wind up picking, if I get the 2 or 3 pick, I'm probably going to wind up picking, or even the 1, McCaffrey this year. I hate that so much, but let me grab a cover card. It's probably going to happen. We have a James Robinson rookie. We have Jacob Phillips rookie. Cleveland Browns rookie auto. Rob, how about a 70? Is that 78 out of 199, baby? Joey B on card. Let's go, Rob. 3 was the right box, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Joe freaking Burrow. Let's go, Rob. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Congrats on that, man. That's a huge pull. That is a huge pull. Again, that is 78 out of 199. I hate this camera, bro. The quality just isn't all that. I was saying, because we went on vacation. I was ripping on vacation, man. I was saying my freaking, I mean, it's not like it's a cheap camera. It's an expensive camera. My freaking iPhone camera is better quality. The iPhone camera is nuts. This wants to focus on my hands more than the card. Nice Joe Burrow. Congrats on that, Rob. What a pull, man. That's crazy. Congrats on that, dude. Nice. That's sick.